What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at NEAR here, and as we can see, it looks as though it's basically getting a nice little pickup, isn't it? We've got a bit of a support here in and around that $6 and $6.35-ish area. Basically on this previous swing high here, where we do seem as though we've come down looking for support, found that bounce. We've obviously had a bit of a rollover throughout September for NEAR, where basically, the whole market has just been way down, hasn't it? We've seen Bitcoin rolling over and rolling over. Basically because of, so much nonsense and FUD in the market. Obviously September, a bearish period for financial markets in general. But it does seem quite likely, in our opinion, that, going into October here, we've seen a really big pickup for a lot of cryptocurrencies, and NEAR is no exception here. If we throw our Fib retracement tool on, you can see quite clearly some of the levels that we have been looking at here, and they are being respected absolutely perfectly. We've come up here, retested the 0.78 as support. We run all the way up to our 127 extension, which we pretty much perfectly touch at around $12. And then we roll over, look for support on our previous all-time high here. And, things were going great until we had that secondary, China FUD correction in the market. We lost support, we come back up, we're looking for support here. And it looks as though with the 55 as well, on the daily time frame, the 55 moving average, we have actually found our support on this previous swing high at around, 630, 640. So they're looking really good, to be honest. It's holding support like an absolute beast in our opinion, and it seems quite likely that, we're probably going to see a decent bounce off the downside pretty damn soon. We've got ourselves a nice little 20% pump over the past few days. And, it looks as though it is forming up pretty damn nicely. You can see we'll come back down to fair value as well. On our hourly time frame, we are just starting to get that pickup off the low now, from what it seems like. We've obviously got bullish divergences all over the place. You can see them all here. Bullish divergences. Essentially forming, what can only be described as potentially that W double bottom, looking something like this. Where we come down, we double bottom back test that area. And now it looks as though we are starting to form our way out of it, with some decent price targets coming back up towards these levels here. We've got obviously around this $8 level and around this $9.40 level as well. So basically things looking really good. And it seems quite likely, in our opinion, that we're probably going to continue to see some good upside for NEAR, provided that the market keeps pumping. And it looks like Bitcoin's really, potentially on a warpath here, making that macro higher high and higher low. And if we do see Bitcoin continue to pump, then obviously NEAR's going to get dragged up as well. So we'll keep things short and sweet. Short-term price predictions, if we do roll over again, we could expect this area here to hold. A strong area of support, this previous swing high, flipped into support as well, along with the 55. You'd say realistically in and around this area at $6.50 would probably see a bounce if we rolled over for one last back test. And then if we do see ourselves continue to pump to the upside, we obviously need to break this previous all-time high resistance of around $7.55. And then if we can do that, then we're probably looking at a nice little pump back up to towards the all-time high in the next few weeks. And then beyond that, we've got some really nice Fib extension targets, but we do think 20, 30, maybe $40 for NEAR, very reasonable. So that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.